I'm calling from ABC school.
Mm-hmm.
And are you mother of Ria?
Yes,
Studying in
yes,
class sixth A.
yes, I'm mother of Ria. I'm speaking. What happened with
Okay.
Ria?
Uh, okay. Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm doing good. What about you?
I'm doing well, thank you. So tell me,
Mm.
how does it going?
Mm, it is going good. But yes, yesterday was not so good because I got a call from my daughter's school because she was not feeling well. So I went there and I
To the
picked my
school.
daughter. Yes.
Okay. 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 Now is she fine?
Yeah, right now she is fine.
Okay.
She is okay, and yes, she has today she again joined the school. But
Okay.
yesterday she was not feeling well.
Okay. So tell me,
Hmm.
is there any topic, any situation or role play?
Yes, I have a situation on role play also. Like yesterday experience what I have faced, and you can say this is a role play. We there is like I am a parent, and you can play a role of receptionist.
Okay.
Can we do it this role play?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
Sure.
So, are you
So
a parent of your daughter?
okay, I will be playing the role of receptionist.
Okay, receptionist. Okay, I will play role of mother. Okay.
Okay. So now I'm calling you. So good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
I'm calling from ABC school.
Mm-hmm.
And are you mother of Ria?
Yes,
Studying in
yes,
class sixth A.
yes. I am mother of Ria. I'm speaking. What happened with
Okay.
Ria?
Uh, Actually, she fainted while walking to the washroom. So now she is okay. But please, could you please come over here to fetch her because her condition is not good. So
Right now she is feeling well, or she is.
now she's okay. But a couple of minutes ago she fainted. All of a sudden she just collapsed. So I thought we should inform you. So
Okay.
because it's our responsibility as an authority, so that is why I called you. So could you please come over here to take her?
She is in nurse's room.
Yeah, she's in nurse's room. Yeah,
No, no, nurse's room, not nursing
nurse's
room.
room. Nurse's room. Yeah, yeah, she's in nurse's room. So please come over here. So
Okay, ma'am.
how long will you take to come over here?
Ma'am, right now I am outside, so I will take 15 minutes.
Okay, please try to come fast over here as
Okay,
possible
okay,
as you can. Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
Now I am at the reception counter, so I
Yeah.
will inquire. Hello, ma'am. I got a call from school reception.
Yes, yes. Are you mother of Ria studying in class 6th A?
Yes, yes.
Okay, because
What
I'm
happened
new,
with
so
her?
I don't know
What
about
happened with her?
things. Actually, she fainted. All of a sudden, she just collapsed. So now she's okay, but I think she has some problem. She's not feeling well. So, yeah. And you have to fill this form, and this is the register. Okay, you have to sign over here. So
Mhm.
please sign here.
Okay, okay. I will fill all the thing. And my daughter is taking school transport. So what should
Okay,
I
okay.
fill with this form?
Yeah, I will also provide you that receipt. Okay, then you can just sign and you can take her home. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
please, yeah.
Now I have completed this register and I have filled this transport receipt. Where I
Yes,
have
yes.
to submit this? Where I have to submit this?
Yeah, the right corner, just right corner, and you have to go and submit to the counter.
Okay, ma'am. I have submitted. Can I wait here for my daughter?
Yes, yes, you can wait. You can wait for 5 minutes. If
Okay.
you want, then you can go to the nurse's room
No,
to
no,
fetch her.
because few days ago when I was called and I was going to nurse's room, That time, ma'am said parents are not allowed in that room. So you should wait in cafeteria.
Okay. Okay, okay. Then you can wait because you have filled the form. That is why I was saying. But you can wait over here
I think
till
you
she
are new
comes.
on the reception, so you don't know.
Yeah, that is why I'm quite new. That is why. Yeah.
Because in this school, it is not allowed to go any room.
Okay, okay. So please wait here
Okay,
and
I'm
yeah,
waiting.
till she comes. Okay. Now, ma'am, she has come and you can take her home.
Okay, okay. Okay, ma'am. Thanks for your concern.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
And after this, this role play is ended. So, what
Hmm.
do you think about role play? Do you think after playing these kind of characters, we can enhance our knowledge and we can boost our vocabulary also?
Yeah, I would say it's quite good thing and very nice way. Just not to enhance our vocabularies as well as the way of speaking things in such situation because on every single day we have to like come across many situations and these kind of situation definitely can happen with anyone. Okay, so I think this is really nice way to speak over these kind of role play and basically enacting the role play. So it's really helpful.
And this is a real life situation, which I have faced
Yeah,
just.
yeah, that moment what happens we just get that kind of connection with that situation and we just put into that role and we can just enact so easily and it that moment it becomes relatable, it
Hmm.
resonate basically. Yeah, it's quite helpful.
Hmm. Do
Mhm.
you have any vocabulary? So you can share.
Yeah, I can use first have you ever listened gone are the days?
Sorry, can you repeat?
In Hindi we say वो दिन गए, so there
I
we
think.
can use gone are the
Okay.
days.
Okay. And there
Yeah.
is one phrase also. Let gone be bygones. जो हुआ सो हुआ. Have you
Yeah,
heard this?
yes, yes, absolutely. I heard this, and the other is come what may, चाहे जो हो.
Hmm.
Yeah, and there are some idioms, as I can say, mm, casting pearl before the swine. Casting
What
pearl
is that?
before the swine. This means भैंस के आगे बीन बजाना.
Oh wow. Nice. Yes.
Yeah, and the another is mm, yeah, एक अनार सो बीमार. Have you heard this in Hindi?
Yes. In Hindi, I know all the idioms.
एक अनार सो
What is
बीमार.
the
This
English
means
idiom? What is the
in
English?
English, yeah, one crown, several heads.
Yes, I have heard this idiom. One crown, several heads.
Yes, one crown, several heads.
Yes.
And चित भी मेरी पट भी मेरी heads I win tails you lose.
Yeah, I know this. Yes, I
Okay,
know.
okay. There are many. When it comes to retrieve some particular word, we just go blank. It happens. It's I
Yes.
think
Okay, butterflies in the stomach. Do you know this?
yeah. When we become very nervous, then I can say
Yes.
we use
That we
this.
can use this idiom.
Yes, yes.
Yes. And icing on the cake. Have you heard this?
सोने पे सुहागा.
Yes, you can say "Sone pe suhaga," and you can say when we are getting additional benefit.
Yeah, right.
That time
Absolutely.
we can use this idiom.
Yes, yes, absolutely. See, these idioms they work as a flavor in the conversation, English conversation. But the main thing I can say when we enhance our like vocabularies and confidence by speaking on such situational things, that
Mm,
really helpful. Yeah, that
mm.
really
Okay,
helps.
now I'm giving you one word. Happy. Okay. So give any synonym of the word happy. There are so many
Yeah,
synonyms for
there's
happy.
absolutely. I'm over the moon. I'm elated, and I'm on cloud nine.
Yes.
Okay, I'm ecstatic and
Mm-hmm.
I'm jovial, I'm jubilant, I'm delightful.
Mm-hmm.
Um, there are many.
Okay, now next is
I'm exuberant. I'm exuberant.
yes. Yes. And next one is Angry.
Angry, furious,
Hmm.
furious, and infuriate.
Yes.
To
Infuriate. We are angry.
infuriate somebody. When
Yes.
somebody is very
It's a good word.
he's very angry, then we
Yes.
can use this.
It's a good word.
And
Infuriate.
yeah, and fly into fury.
Hmm.
If somebody is very angry, we can also use fly into fury. And when when somebody is very angry and he's that moment he's screaming, he's shouting, then a word we can use, vent out our anger.
Yes. Yes. I
Vent
know.
out our anger. Or in
Hmm.
the fit of rage. In the
Hmm.
fit of rage, I said these things to you, or like was this we can use. Yeah.
Okay. Now the third word is tired.
Tired, exhausted,
Hmm.
and I am beat, I'm
Hmm.
spent,
Hmm.
I'm worn out,
Yes.
I'm spent. I think I have used, and I'm exhausted. Yeah, I'm exhausted. There are many, but when it comes to
Okay.
retrieve words,
Now the next one is famished.
famished. I'm hungry.
Yes.
I'm starving.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah. That this is all I know. You tell me.
And then, like we are eating something and our stomach is totally full. That time we can say, okay, I am full. I am
Yeah,
full. We
we
need
can
no
also use.
extra
Yeah,
food.
we can also use. I am stuffed.
Yes,
I'm stuffed.
yes.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
next word is bright.
Sorry.
Bright, bright. B-R-I-G-H-T, bright.
Okay, bright, bright, beaming,
Mm.
beaming, and
Radiant,
sorry.
radiant,
Yeah,
radiant.
radiant, radiant. Yeah,
Yes. Okay. Next is beautiful.
beautiful. You are very
Stunning.
exquisite, exquisite,
Yes.
and gorgeous,
Mm-hmm.
and
Glamorous.
stunning,
Yes. Extraordinary.
extraordinary, and outstanding,
Hmm. Yes.
fabulous, stupendous. Yeah,
Hmm. Okay. Next, sad.
sad.
Yes.
Okay, upset,
Mm-hmm.
upset, distraught, depressed,
Mm-hmm.
and what
Gloomy.
word? Yeah, gloomy, blue, feel blue.
Hmm. Yes. Okay. It was a lovely conversation with you, and we have, I think, any other question if you have, you can ask.
No, no, nothing, nothing. It was very nice talking with you and very enthralling conversation we had.
I also enjoyed this conversation.
Okay.